The 2026 Zontes 703T has finally arrived, and this one is a real turning point for the brand. For the first time ever, Zontes has built a 700 class triple-cylinder engine, then updated it and made it better and smoother. And it completely transforms the character of the bike. This new triple is smooth, eager, and full of that addictive three-cylinder pulse that makes you twist the throttle just to hear it come alive. It's the kind of engine that instantly tells you Zontes is stepping confidently into a new era. And because it's Zontes, they didn't just build a new engine and call it a day. They packed the 703T with more tech than you'd expect at this price point. The windshield glides up and down electrically, the fuel cap pops open with a button, the seat unlocks electrically, and even the storage compartments have their own powered releases. It's the only touring bike where you can look like a magician at a petrol station without even trying. Up front, the full-color TFT display feels more like a premium smart device than a motorcycle dash. It's bright, crisp, and packed with information, and once you pair your phone, you've got navigation, calls, music, and a layout that looks like it belongs in a futuristic cockpit. Zontes also redesigned the whole structure around this new engine. The modular frame gives the bike a planted, confident feel, and the dual-layer fairings help smooth out the airflow so long rides feel calmer and more comfortable. Add in the sharp LED projector headlights, and the 703T looks like it's rolled straight out of a sci-fi action film. Despite being built for touring, the 703T isn't afraid of a little adventure. With long travel suspension, a reinforced swing arm, and comfortable ergonomics, it's ready for motorway miles, mountain twisties, and even the occasional gravel road your GPS insists is perfectly fine. And because Zontes knows riders love practicality, the bike comes luggage ready from the factory. No strange brackets or late-night online shopping required. And that triple engine doesn't just perform, it sounds fantastic. The exhaust note has a deeper, more refined tone than anything Zontes has built before. Not loud, not obnoxious, just a smooth, confident growl that makes the bike feel alive. The 2026 Zontes 703T brings big bike character, big bike tech, and big bike presence, but without the big bike price. It's bold, it's clever, and it's going to shake up the mid-sized touring world in a very Zontes way.